Hello everyone, welcome to RV Selfie Check Attendance Management Solution. In this video, we discuss the various dashboards and analytics generated by RV Selfie Check solution. First step is for admin users to go to rv.ai and click on the login button. Enter your credentials to log into the system. Once inside, on the home screen, you can view the overall attendance metrics and the employee-wise attendance history based on the start and end days. You can also filter data based on shifts and groups as entered in the masters section. Let's say we choose a time period from the 1st of April to the 30th of April. Once selected, system immediately updates all data for this time period. The first tile is key metrics. In this section, you have the cumulative work hours clocked by all employees in the selected time period. You get the average work hours per day, the total present man days, the absent rate, which is the percentage of all absentee man days over the maximum possible man days. Lastly, if there is an overtime policy, you get the total overtime hours clocked by all employees. This is especially useful for companies to track their overtime payments on a regular basis. In the next tile, we have the attendance summary for the selected period. This includes total number of present man days, absent man days, missed check-ins, leaves, work from home man days in case the company has an active work from home policy, and regularizations, which basically are instances where the check-in or check-out data is manually edited. Users can also drill down and see the breakup of each such metric by clicking on the respective metric. For example, if you'd like to see a breakup of the present man days, just click on the green link and you can see the employee-wise breakup of present days along with the cumulative work hours and the overtime hours. Next, you can view a date-wise summary in the attendance calendar. For example, on the 7th of April, you have 60 present, 19 absent and 6 late check-ins. Again, to view the breakup, simply click on the metric and you will be able to do a detailed drill down. In this case, I will click on absent to view all 19 employees who did not report to work on the 7th. In the next section, users can view employee-wise attendance details for the selected time period. You can search for a specific employee by entering his or her name in the search box. For example, we have S. Arun Kumar, who was present for 17 days and absent for 6 days in the period between 1st April and 30th April. To get a detailed day-wise breakup, users can click on the name to view the date-wise attendance report. This report contains the name of the shift, the check-in check-out times, the work hours, the late check-in, overtime hours for each day in the period.